Dating while on the move. Impossible? Not even close. In fact, if you do it right, it can actually work in your favor. But most people approach it all wrong and end up frustrated or stuck in surface level connections. Hey there, I'm Rick Soetebier, and not only am I a dating coach, but I'm also a full-time RVer, just like you. I know firsthand the challenges of dating when you're never in one place for long. But here's the good news. If you know how to navigate it, short stay dating can be a huge advantage. Today, I'm breaking down my exact system for making real, meaningful connections, even if you're only in town for a few weeks. This isn't just another dating tips video. I've developed a 4-week framework that shows you exactly what to do, step by step, to meet people fast, build real connections, and leave with no regrets. So, if you've ever wondered, is it even possible to date seriously while traveling? Or, how do I avoid wasting time with the wrong people? Or, what's the best way to set up dates when I'm only here for a short time? Then stick with me, because I'm about to give you my roadmap that works. Strategy number 1, the 4-week dating maximizer. This first game-changing strategy is my 4-week dating maximizer system. I've broken this down into 4 specific weeks with clear action steps. First is week 1. Lay the groundwork. This is all about preparation and positioning. Your focus in these first 7 days needs to be 100% on setting the stage. For example, update your dating profiles immediately to show your new location and temporary status. Research local hotspots and community events. Begin making those initial connections online. Your dating strategy should be about casting a wide net efficiently without wasting any time. Then there's week 2. Active engagement. You're now implementing your plan with the maximum effort. Your approach should emphasize getting out and meeting people face to face. For example, attend 2 or 3 events. Schedule those first coffee dates with people you've matched with online, and join a short-term activity class. Your strategy should be focused on quantity, making as many initial connections as possible. Next comes week 3. Deepen connections. By now, you've met several people and can identify who you'd like to know better. Your dating approach must shift to quality over quantity. For example, follow up with the most promising connections. Plan more substantial dates like dinner or local experiences, but continue to remain open to new people. Your strategy is becoming more selective while maintaining momentum. And just as I'm in the middle of recording this, I'm getting a thunderstorm. So bear with me if there's a little noise in the background. That's part of RVing. Finally, there's week 4, quality focus. This is about maximizing time with the most promising connections before you leave. Your approach must be intentional and transparent. For example, concentrate on the 1 or 2 people you've clicked with most. Have honest conversations about your departure and explore possibilities for staying connected. Your strategy should be about creating meaningful closure or transition plans. I'm just getting a torrential downpour here. So we'll keep going and see what happens. Strategy number 2, community integration accelerators. This second strategy is crucial for finding connections quickly. Let's break it down. The first accelerator is digital integration, and this is absolutely essential. You need to leverage technology to find communities before you even arrive. Your approach should be proactive and thorough. For example, join meetup groups, local Facebook communities, and Nextdoor for your temporary neighborhood immediately. Your strategy should leverage technology to identify where your people gather. Next is strategic location selection. You must be deliberate about where you spend your limited time. Your approach can make or break your dating success. For example, choose morning coffee shops where regulars gather, farmers markets for casual conversations, wine tastings that attract our age demographics. Your strategy should focus on high probability locations where midlife singles naturally gather. Third is the regular status. You need to establish familiarity quickly in one or two places. Your approach needs to create a sense of belonging despite your temporary status. For example, visit the same coffee shop at the same time several days a week, or attend the same weekly event multiple times. Even getting involved with a local church can produce some strong connections quickly. Your strategy is creating micro-community connections that accelerate relationship development. Strategy number 3, dating app optimization system. The final strategy that ties everything together is optimizing your dating app presence. We'll start with profile transparency. Your profile status must be clearly communicated. Your dating approach must be authentic about your situation. For example, exploring Austin for a month of May, looking to meet interesting people and discover local gems. Please write this down. Your strategy should frame your temporary status as an adventure rather than a limitation. There's messaging acceleration. You don't have time for the normal slow pace of dating app conversations. Your approach should compress the typical timeline. For example, message potential matches promptly, suggest concrete plans within the first few exchanges, follow up quickly. Your strategy acknowledges the compressed timeline without seeming desperate. Then there's local experience framing. Your date suggestions should leverage your temporary status. Your approach should turn your visitor status into an advantage. For example, I'd love to check out that farmer's market you mentioned. As a local, you probably know all the best vendors. Your strategy includes positioning your dates as local guides, which most people enjoy. Let's put it all together. Let me show you exactly how to apply these strategies together with a real example. Meet Margaret, one of my clients, who's a 58-year-old exploring potential retirement locations for a month at a time. During week 1, she updated her dating profiles, joined 2 local meetup groups, and researched community events. In week 2, she attended a pottery class and scheduled 3 coffee dates from Bumble. By week 3, she was focusing on 2 promising connections, including someone she met at the pottery class. In week 4, she had honest conversations about her departure and made plans for her interest to visit her at home. The result? They maintained a long-distance relationship for 6 months before Margaret decided to relocate permanently to his city. This system works when you apply it consistently. Here's your next steps and resources. While you're working on your short-stay dating plan, I've got 2 powerful resources that will help you build on what you've already covered today. First, check out my video, 5 Secrets of Extraordinary Relationships, by clicking on the card on the screen now. These 5 secrets are extremely valuable whether you're on the road or not. Next week, we'll dive deep into how to navigate dating in different cultures and communities. Perfect if you're exploring international locations or drastically different regions of the country. And if you haven't already, download my free guide, The 5 Biggest Dating and Relationship Mistakes and How to Avoid Them. You'll find that link in the description below. It's absolutely packed with insights that apply whether you're settled or on the move. Click the link in the description to grab your copy now. It's completely free. Now, which of these 3 strategies do you think will help you most during your short stays? Share in the comments below and let me know if you have any specific questions about dating while on the move. Your questions will directly help shape future episodes. If you found this video helpful, make sure to click the like button and hit subscribe to join our community of relationship-focused midlife singles. Until next week, happy dating. And remember, your dating life doesn't need to be on pause just because you're in transition.